here you can see I have only 14.86 GB available on my storage. Now you can see 30.42 GB available. If you are worrying about your iPhone storage, then in this video we will definitely help you to recover your storage. So if you want to recover your iPhone storage, then go to the settings option and then go to the date and time option, and then just click to the turn off option of the set time automatically option, and also the time zone automatically option. All those turned off and set the time to like 2035 and also the month, and then change the time also. After that, come back to the settings and then just wait a little, and don't forget to restart your iPhone. After that, iPhone storage is going down so far. So in one option I recover 15 GB of my data, and you can also do this. After that, when your data is recovered, then come back to the time date option and then click to the set time automatically option and also the time zone. After that, everything will be solved and also your data will be available. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.